Trouble under the hood leading you to the junkyard? Before you do this, watch this. You know, the performance of your vehicle relies heavily on your fuel system. During extended periods of use, deposits and buildup, they just gather inside your system. Now that is why it's so important to regularly use a cleaning agent like BlueDevil Complete Fuel System Cleaner to maintain the efficiency of your engine. BlueDevil not only improves gas mileage, fuel efficiency, and vehicle startup, it protects fuel sensors, helps reduce emissions, and is safe for any gas or diesel engine. Keep your fuel system performing at peak levels with a regular application of BlueDevil Complete Fuel System Cleaner. For complete installation instructions, check out our YouTube channel or get all the information you need in one place over at GoBDP.com.